It was February 2024 when we decided to start building our garden studio. We researched what kind of base we should do, and with all the ground condition and funds available to us, we decided that the ground screws were the way to go.
I don't want this on my land.
So we ordered a sample ground screw and it arrived. So one day we decided to test it out, how easy it is to install the ground screws, just if we should order more of these. So here we are trying to get it into the ground and learning all the skills. We decided not to go for the more expensive installation option, that like automated version. It's a manual set that we went with, so it meant more manual labor from us. It's not going down, huh?
No, I need to put some.
Little did we know that this process is gonna change our garden forever. And literally, look at this lovely green grass we still have in the garden. As we go along in this process, you will see how it transforms into a mud bath and beyond. So stay tuned and see how we are getting all these ground screws into the ground and how our build will progress from there on. But yeah, this is the first ground screw, and as you can see, the work is already quite hard. So can we build this dream garden studio is yet to be seen. As you can see, it was quite windy on that day, but luckily for us, it didn't rain. Our dog was thinking, what are you doing with my garden?
It's going in, hun.
Welcome to our journey. If you want to see how we're getting on, subscribe to our channel, like this video and press the bell to get notified all the future videos for you to see of our progress, one ground screw at a time.